family.
Hello.
It's the dance for me.
Yes, it's the dance for me.
Coming to you with another line dance instruction. Someone asked me the other day, what's your favorite line dance? My favorite line dance is the Chuck Baby line dance. And so they asked me how come I don't have instructions for it. So I'm here to rectify that today. As we go through these instructions, I'm going to be calling instructions based on what our feet are actually doing. So when you hear me go right, left, right, right cross, I'm literally moving my left and my right, and I'm crossing my right. And most of the other explanations are going to be pretty much self-explanatory. When you hear the song, it's a go-go song, and it comes in when we start the dance, whenever you hear the horn section drop. And so it goes dun 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 dun. So that's where we're going to start with the horn section. So when the horn section starts, you're going to go right, left, right, right cross. That gets you through the horn section. So one more time, we're going to do it together. Dun, 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 dun. Which is the horn section. We're going to go right, left, right, right cross. That is the horn section. The next section, I always call it 1, 2, 3. You have a couple options. Myself, I like to stay stuck in this position. That's me. I always go 1, 2, 3. And I cha-cha-cha over to the side. Other people I know, because their balance is not as good as mine, they'll go 1, 2, 3. Either one is good. It will get you through the 1, 2, 3 section. So you can go 1, 2, 3, or you can go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to try that first part together. Doing whatever 1, 2, 3 version you like. Here we go. And we get to the point where the horns start. Here we go. Right, left, right, right cross. 1, 2, 3. We're going to, after that, we're going to start going backwards. And so the first backwards is going to be left back, right back, left back, right back. We're going to go back 4 times. So left back, right back, left back, right back. When we get to the right back section, we're going to spin so we can do the second half. But we're going to start from the beginning real quick. So here we go again with the funky drums. Love that go-go music. So we get to the horns. Here we go. Right, left, right, right cross. 1, 2, 3, left back. Right back, left back, right back. From right back, we're going to spin around, and the goals get around in a full circle. And we're going to tap our left foot 3 times on that spin. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And now we're ready for the second half of the dance. So we're going to start from the beginning. One more time. So here we go. We're going to go doom, 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 doom. Here we go. Right, left, right, right cross. 1, 2, 3, left back, right back, left back, right back. And then we're going to turn. 1, 2, 3. Now for the second half of the dance, we're going to go right, left cross. And we're going to do the same 1, 2, 3 of choice. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go forward this time. Right forward, left forward, right forward. And on this left forward, we're going to go forward and step up, pivot, turn. We're going to step up, kick, step back, and then that is the actual end of the dance. At this point, we're back in our horn section, and we're going to go left, right cross. 1, 2, 3, left back, right back, left back, right back, turn. 1, 2, 3, right, left cross. And we're going to continue the dance. And here we go, we're at the horn section. Right, right cross. 1, 2, 3, left back, right back, right back, turn. 1, 2, 3, right, left cross. 1, 2, 3, right up, left up, right up, left, forward, pivot, step up, kick, step back. I'm gonna pause 1 second. If you are on a slippery floor, don't kick, just step up. I've seen people who have had the ballroom wax on their floor and they kick, and next thing you know, they lay on their behind. So judge how slippery your shoes and the floor is. If you got a good grip, go ahead and do the kick. If you don't, step up, step back. Some days I slide up, slide back, but whatever you do, be safe. So let me keep going. So we're going to step up, kick, step back, left, right, cross. And we are now starting the dance over. Right, cross. 1, 2, 3, back, left back, left back, right back, turn. 1, 2, 3, left, cross. 1, 2, up, right up, left up, right up. Step forward, pivot, step forward, kick, step back, left, right, cross. 1, 2, 3, back, left back, right back, turn. 1, 2, 3, right, left, cross. 1, 2, up, right up, left up, right up. Step, pivot, step up, kick, step back, left, right, cross. 1, 2, 3, left back, right back, left back, right back, turn. 1, 2, 3, right, left.